Hey, good morning, boys and girls and non-binary designer friends. We're on day 3 of our indie game studio homepage design challenge here. And we've got a ton of mock-ups that are all very similar with slight differences that we kind of explored. And finally found our current favorite over here. I think aptly named current favorite, current winner. Yeah, I think all of these are titled like wireframe 5. Yeah, there's like a million 5.3s. It's a real absolute nightmare for handoff, but we're not really handing off. We're just designing, you know. We'd maybe, you know, last time we took care to name everything appropriately and had like a very miniature design system that we built with our last project. This one's just like, nope, don't care on that end, which is really funny. But let's dive into what we've got here and see what we're gonna do today. There we go. So this is their current homepage. We do need to design a header at the top. That would be good. That would be a good thing to have. But yeah, it's very blank canvas for us to start with. I wish I could. Oh, I don't know what I grabbed there, but I don't want to do that. So these were some of our mock-up designs, and honestly, this is still, I love this. Still love this. We're gonna try to do something with that today, but we kind of have our content broken up in different ways on that page, and we want to bring more of a highlight to the games that they've made instead of just having a very minimal amount of information that wasn't text. So I like the idea of actually having just a game description here. I think the original idea was maybe to have a scrolling. I did a terrible idea of explaining this in a mock-up. I don't know if this is what we were going for or not, but breaking up that content in that way. If my plan was to have a carousel behind that of like images that would kind of like swoop in, replace themselves for each game behind there, or if it was just going to be a still image. If it was a still image, then I did an okay job of exemplifying that. This is a clear definition of a carousel for sure compared to that. So I'm assuming that wasn't going to be a carousel. This one was going to be a carousel. Again, not too much. Each has its own space on the page. If this was, let's see here. I want to add above the fold. Let's see here. I just want to see what makes it. No, let's make it, because you can't really, well, I guess you can. So if we can condense that a little bit, I'm for it. This, you could start to see, I think, gone. Not the best fold I've seen. Damn, that's crazy alignment. No, it's not. I'm just dumb. Okay. Again, this one did an okay job at that. It at least got Tacoma in there. And you can see on the corner, maybe we could raise that up just a little bit, but you can see that black corner there, kind of alluding maybe that if you scroll, you'll see more. Maybe that one does a better job of above the fold. This one, I think, is still my favorite design. Having all of their like accolades right there, I think will be really, really nice. Because you could see Tacoma and be like, is this a movie or a game? I know I'm on a video game website. I know I'm on an indie game studio website, but is this a game? What is this? I don't know. But clear text in an accolade little like olive branch that's like this. They won this. I feel like that is building intrigue above the fold, and I feel like a good thing, right? You gotta do that. So we're gonna try to more or less recreate these. It seems pretty straightforward. All of the text is different sizes. That could be tough. Let's see here. So let's start, I guess, with doing that, because that's going to be an important part of our design here. Maybe we can actually... Oh, it's the shadow, isn't it? I think that is probably equidistant. 57. Yeah, we already centered that. Damn. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Because this is going to condense. These words are actually going to be like inside that accolade. Okay, I've already gone through and I've pulled an olive branch image from the internet. I did that. And then I removed the background, and as you do, I named it Olive Branch, Michelle Branch's little sister. So let's drag that in. Okay. Good joke, bud. So now we want to rotate this a bit, maybe make it... Wow, my God! What does 50 look like? 50 doesn't look bad, but 45 again? Alright, I kind of like 45. Let's see here. What does theirs look like? That's a nice one too. Look what, oh wow. It's got the bloom, the emitter. Emit light proper. Wow, that looks nice. But it's like, man, it's almost the opposite. It's like 55. Let's see what 55 looks like. But theirs is also more curved, I guess, than mine. Let's see. Shut up. Let's just try 50. 55. Fuck it. I don't really like it where it's... Let's see here. I don't really like it being top heavy like that. That feels better to me. Let's see here. Oh shit, maybe not quite that much. Or that much. Nah, let's go 50. Let's just go 50. Whoo! Is that about the same? A little bit bottom heavy. I think that's preferable to me. Okay. Slurping is key here. Alright, so what we want to do... Alright, so that's good enough for me. And then how are we on top and bottom? Then if I make this like a crazy color, like gold, or let's see here. Let's do gold. Let's do a gold color if I can grab one. That's not gold. That's not gold, bud. It's not the worst. That's too orange. It's not too orange, is it? Maybe it wasn't. Do we go back just a hair? That's gold. We're calling it gold. Alright, gold. And then we want to do like a second one. And this is gonna be a linear gradient. I want it to be darker on this side, lighter on this side, and then 100%. Hell yeah. Let's make the overall like 50. Let's see what happens there. Maybe take it down to 40 before we get too far. That's, whew, that's perfect. Look at, oh man, that's perfect. So I'm gonna group this. Layout grid visible. That's not what I meant, but that's fine, I guess. Group these two things. There we go. Hotkeys. So this is gonna be, you know, olive branch, and this is the left side. And then I want to use this as the mask. No, it's actually the right side. Damn! That looks pretty sharp though. I like that. I like that alright. What would happen if I changed this one to white? I don't quite like that as much. Let's see here, maybe make that 50% white. 50%, come on! There we go. Okay, I like that. Gives it a little bit more grade. Yeah, it's softer, I like it. Could probably take the darkness back just a hair. But, or even change the direction so it's darker at the bottom, but I think I like it. I think I like it horizontal like that. We could try though, let's see. Then we'll grab this. Oh, this I guess is what we want. Is this? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so then bloop bloop. Maybe even gradient from on the side of it. That's good. Alright, let's take it a step further, alright. How big is this? Can I fit it? Let's see here, frame. I'm gonna do this. Olive branch right, fit to frame right. Aren't we masking? Oh. That makes sense, that makes sense. So what I want to do is actually... I think this is what I want to do. And then move this above it. Oh, that's a frame because I changed it to frame. Okay, so that's fine. I need to group these two together. Another mask. No, there was another. So then drag this below it. Right? Is that what I want to do? And then use this as a mask. But this one can have like all of the... Okay, that's much better. That's much more manageable. Whoa. Are these both grouped? Perfect. How did I manage this? Hold on. So that one's that one. And it has that and the rectangle in it. Okay. So I can get rid of this and this. Yes, yes I can. So then I need to make an olive branch left. So we're gonna duplicate that guy over just a bit. And then flip him. I don't really want to rotate him. How do you flip? How do I flip? How do I flip? So if I rotate it 180 degrees. Oh wait, hold on. Holy shit, I'm a genius, you guys. Actual genius at work over here. So it's 215 is what I need to hit. So minus 215. Why make it harder on yourself? 215, 650, 215, 650. Awesome. Left. Now, let's build some frickin' accolades, everybody. So we want bigger text. Let me see. Can I pull it up over? Hotkeys are gonna be the bane of my existence. That's what I'm looking for. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Maybe we drag these over there. Just the whole thing, really. There we go. Okay. Look at us. Look at us. So we're gonna do that. Oh, that's cut off, isn't it? Damn it. They're like both cut off. It's okay. We can more or less figure it out. We can figure it out. Where we go from there. That looks good. We'll fix it in post. That looks fine. Okay, now for text, we want to throw text in here. We're gonna call it best independent. Oh, that's all caps too, isn't it? It's not all cap. It's an all caps font. Okay. gotta figure out what an all caps font is. I think that's a quick Google away though. Best independent game. And then we're gonna center align that. I'm gonna select it all, and then I'm gonna come over here and be like, what's a popular all caps font? Let's see here. 15 all caps fonts. Let's pick one that we think looks closest to Baron. I don't know if I have that one, but it's pretty cool. Wait, no, which one was... I don't know which one Baron is. Blackout. No, Baron's the one I was wanting. Blackout I just skipped over. I don't think we want that. Simplifica. Simplifica. That one looks nice. Modern Sans. I don't know if I have that one. I don't know if I have any of these really, but I don't like that one. I don't really care for that one either. Those are sweet, but I also do want it to be legible. So let's see here. Do I have Baron installed? I doubt it. Or let's search for modern. I doubt I have it. I don't. Okay, then is it just Baron, right? Baron. What if we just start going up? Let's see here. Drag this down. Make it all white. Make it a little bit larger, maybe 12, call it 16. How are we looking there? And it may be even 24, can you believe that? 18, let's try 18 first. 22, I don't know if it's a full 24. 1822. Great year. Not what we meant. Alright, so we're like between... What is... Man, do they even make numbers between 18 and 22? You heading out? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you after. Have a good day. Hey, we found a number that works. That's good. Alright, so we found that. Let's continue going through... We're gonna be here for a while. Wait, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. We could change our line height. Oh, wait, come on. I swear to God, we had one that was just all caps. Maybe not. No. No. We'll find one, guys. Hey, that one's all caps. It is a serif, though. I don't know if... Theirs is a sans. I think it'd be best to keep it sans. There's a few that are all serifs. Why are they doing this? That's not bad. They don't have bold or italic, though. I do want that. So we're being really, really judgy. That one also, damn, I like that. I like the ones that don't let me change anything. Dang it. Dang it. Gotta have a somewhat variable font. Oh, whoa. Scooby-Doo right there. I'm sure it doesn't have to be the exact same font, but we'll keep it close. We do want it to look similar. Whoa, Jurassic Park or something, I don't know. That's not even close to Jurassic Park. Design is my passion. Okay, that's freaking sweet. Oh! Oh my gosh, what is that? We trapped? My girlfriend just left for work and then sent me a text that doors are locked. Like outside of our apartment, I guess? I don't know, like can she not get out of our apartment? Are we trapped in here? Is this some crazy experiment? Let us out! You can't keep us here! Sorry for freaking out, I don't know what she's talking about. I have no idea. They have been running some crazy drills, like emergency drills, but like they're like, hey, disregard these drills, we're just gonna be running drills, but pay no attention to the drills. And then like the week before that, while we were trying to do this, was like right after drills, and the alarm just kept going off, but they didn't say that one was fake, so we all evacuated. Shit's been fucking crazy here. Yeah, if we wanted to evacuate if the doors are locked right by our stairwell, the only other option is an elevator that is out of service. This building, man, I tell you what. It's crazy. I like this font a lot. I'm gonna kind of duplicate it and keep that in mind, because I think that is sweet. For a video game accolade, are you kidding me? It is a little hard to read. Okay, let's copy that down. And then keep changing this font. Maybe find something very similar. I love that. I might use that. I think that's so sweet. I'm sure I downloaded that at some point for another project. Okay, that's not bad. That's pretty close to what they have. I can't change. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. I think I have like a Super Mario font too, but that one might be too far out. I'm not gonna look forever. We're not gonna go through all like 20 billion fonts. Not quite that one. Just wanted to see, because I looked up some online that I like, but I don't want to go through all the effort of downloading a new font to do this. Even though font browsing is, I think we can all agree, a wonderful experience all the time. One of the best things you can do, really. That one's very condensed, but pretty easy to read. And we're gonna have to change, I think, our spacing on whatever we choose either way. Alright, I'm speedrunning this shit now. 'Cause I'm getting pretty sold on our Gothic Pixels one. I hope it reads well enough. Best independent game. Best independent game. Okay, this one we could change. Oh, damn it, it's not. This one, let's see here. Expanded, regular. Semi-expanded? But where is... Damn it! Surely they have like an italics, right? No! Shit! Search continues. I don't think the Gothic Pixels one, we wouldn't even need that at all. Okay, so now I don't even know what we're looking for now. Not the headline one. We're just still looking for a nice thin font that will get us through. That one's very condensed. Oh, damn it. It's... Can't change it. Super serifs, which, honestly... Let's try like -5. Okay, so let's see here. I want this also to be smaller. Probably down to 14. 16. And then I need to change that again to like 12. Okay. And then say, let's try Spike TV VGX. I'm gonna uncaps for awards and see what. So I'm gonna make sure it's centered. Of course, of course. Maybe give it, is that 8 pixels? Is that enough? Whoa! Whoa! Bud! Freaking out over here. Freaking out. Alright, here we go. We're gonna grab this. It's not bad. So... is that where independence starts? It is. That's crazy. Okay. And then this is also butted up against it. But there's a little bit more space on that side. This is centered, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. Best independent game. There we go. Now, if I move this one in just a little bit more, that should fit better. All right, so let's group all of this. Actually, let's group this with an auto layout. And I want it to be the text Everything's 8. That's fine. That's fine. And then I want to group all of these. Well, hold on. Grab that, and then grab that. Also, auto layout this. This is going to be Accolade. And for this one, the spacing, I'm actually going to set to like -4 maybe? -8. Let's see. 8 is going to be too extreme. Maybe it's not. Is 8 like perfect or what? Best independent game. That's like that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now how to handle what if we change this to Gothic? Surely I have something Gothic. What? Gorditas. Man, that's crazy. I'm sure I have some crazier stuff than that. I want it to be legible, but I also kind of want it to reflect. I guess we're going full serif. Okay, this is much too big though. There's no way that's 16 pixel font. God damn it. Ugh! There we go. That's not bad. That's not bad. I like that. I like that. It's not serifs at all. That is very easy to read. Also don't want it to outweigh our headline, you know. That's better, less weighty. Headline 1 was not bad. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Yes. Yes. Yes, we have our accolade, I believe. Accolade. So then let's keep... Shit. We're gonna make this fixed width. Fixed. Fixed. And then we can make, this is that size. Fixed. Fixed, fixed. Accolade. So then, okay, good. Good deal. Nothing stretches out too crazy. I'm still not set on the color of our accolade branch. Doesn't have to be that gold. That was a real quick pick. We'll put it on and see what we have. Let's see. So we want to grab it, the whole thing we already have, and then find our current. There it is. We were almost there. And then, oh goddamn! There we go. There we go. There we go. Paste to replace. Bada bing. That automatically resize it, or did that? Is that actually the size? That's a bit small. Font wise, right? That's seems a bit small. All right, we'll call that for now. Oh, you know what? There we go. That's our current winner. We're gonna drag this over so we don't mess that up. Easier to go back. Paste to replace. That looks pretty good. Paste here. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit bigger. $28. Let's go 28. Huh. Oh, I see why. I gotcha. And then if this is 16, let's do 24 on that one. No, that's 20. 22. 22. Seems good. So then I'll drag wait, what? Why is it saying right there? $171. This is fixed width. Wait, what? Control Z, I guess. So it's 175. I want this one to be 175 as well. And then this one I want to resize. There we go. Then I need to maybe, can I scale those? Oh shit, I can. That seems right. So it's 43 by 130. Come on, why is it not 43 by 130? $43 by 130, 43 by 130. Okay, so that looks better, right? Let's see. Best Independent Game, Spike TV Awards. These, I think, let's see here. Let's go to minus 16 now. Minus 16. Since everything's that much bigger. And then, should we maybe narrow the gap between, let's see. To make that like 6, I don't like 6 as a number. Let's try 4. That looks better. Let's try 4 up here too. I like it. I like it. Does that... If we look at this full screen, what happens? Fit to width. I feel like that's legible on both of them. Like I'm good with really either. It's still doing that damn weird thing where when it tries to zoom out to the width of my screen, it doesn't just display it how it's supposed to. But whatever, we can mess with that later. So those fonts are big. Maybe not though. So let's see here. Oh, let's try wrong thing. If I go down here and I change this to anything I want, like gray, light gray. I don't really like light gray. What if we did a darker gray? It doesn't read quite as well. At least on that background. Where was that gray? That's a mostly middle. That's a little bit more middle. Let's try middle gray. Should we go for like a spacey purple hue? Let's grab like this blue and then drag it over here. Actually, let me just leave it where it was. What if we added, instead of the white, oh, this is what I'm looking for. White. Damn. That's not what I meant. Okay, you can't see that at all. All right, we'll leave it as is. I kind of like the spacey background color, olive branch. What would happen if we added just a drop shadow to all of that? Accolade. Not you, this accolade. we're gonna add the shadow color. Let's see here, drop shadow. But it made it 100%. That's let's see here. Okay, yeah, it did make it 100% right there. 50%. Let's go 40%. 40%. 40%. May need to, let's see here, go in and adjust. Or did it update? Okay, maybe this needs adjusting. So line height, let's make that 16. 1 plus 6. Let's make it 16 on that now. And then reduce the line height on this to 28. Now reflect. That looks pretty good. I'm looking at the bottom one. Maybe we make these a different color as well, slightly, so they're not the same, you know? Maybe we make the bottom one a darker color. Barely. Not like a crazy dark color. Maybe we'll choose darker than white. Let me be clear. Let me be clear. I meant darker than white. So our options are limitless, but I think I'll probably choose maybe one of these background colors. But give me 1 second. I gotta run to the bathroom. Whoa. Ah, sorry, I forget how hard that paper door slams. Okay. Okay. So we were gonna grab let's see here. No. That is gonna be too dark. What if we did color grabber? It's too middle, I guess, was our problem. That's not... That'll stand out enough on backgrounds. I really think lighter is going to be the key, though. Maybe it should just stay almost white. Let's try like F7. There we go. It's not white. I do feel like this blue should be more of a middle blue. Whoa! I didn't change anything, did I? It's not like pink now. Okay, so olive branch, let's look at this. Let's make this like should be able to see that in real time. Oh, I can't scroll sideways. That makes sense. We want something desaturated-ish. That's not bad. Maybe very slightly more saturated. Very slightly more. Let's be careful here. I think that looks better. Alright, so we'll copy that one and then go olive branch right. Whoop. Yeah, look at that. It stands out on the light, okay. It is very skinny, but it's a website. So it's not gonna be like across from your TV in any way. I think the font is big enough. That font is, I'll give it to you. It is not the easiest to read, but somebody on Reddit was telling me that in the video game world you have a little bit more leeway for not more creative, but more stylized is the word I'm looking for. More stylized presentation and UI elements than you do when you're just doing other things. So granted, this isn't necessarily video game UI, but it is video game themed. And I'm gonna make the artistic decision for now to leave that very video gamey kind of font. I kind of like it. I kind of like it a lot. So I'm gonna leave that. I think that's my new faves, and we can still very easily change the color of our wreath or our olive branch. So that is not a tough thing. Let's get back over here. Yeah. Okay. Let me stop being an idiot. So I'm gonna drag this up because I want these all to be kind of higher. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. What the hell? Oh my god, I can't believe he did it! I can't, no, he deleted everything! It's right here, you guys, don't worry. So we're gonna copy this over a few times. Bada bing. We'll fix that later. These beats, though, if anybody's looking for music while they work, this channel on YouTube is just Japanese lo-fi radio. It's like always live, so they're chill beats. I like them a lot. So what do we have here? 6 accolades. Could probably squeeze more on there, but let's steal a few from each page, you know? All right, so let's see here. Fulbright, I'm on their website here. I'm just gonna click on Gone Home, has this one, best debut. Let's see here. Game developers choice awards. What happens if I best debut? Oh, I can do that. That's an option. So what if I do this though? I think I want to leave it. Best debut. What is another one? Game. Oh shit. Oh, I guess we can fix this. Of the year. Game of the year. And this is gonna be alright, so then I think since I only have a few accolades here, let's see. Those are, let's see here, best, I'm gonna say narrative. Best narrative, and then just remove that. This was BAFTA finalist. Pushes it up just a little bit. That's good. Okay, and then let's see here. Let's try this. Excellence in narrative. This is an IGF finalist. And then let's go back and grab another one for Gone Home. Let's see here. Best story, best independent game. Game of the year, we already have. Best narrative game. Do we do best PC game? Let's see here. PC game. Drop that like that. And who said it? Who said that? It's IGN. Cool. Actually, let's see here. What happens if I do that? They bump down. Let's do that. That's fine. That's closer. God damn it. Just click the thing I want. Get in there! Click the thing that I want. There we go. Sheesh. Alright, so those are 2 level. I can't really change that. So then let's go back and grab that. Auto layout it. We're gonna have 64 between them maybe. Looks better, looks better. So that is so this is, what is this? 130, no, it's 130. $130 high plus 32 plus 32. So that's gonna be 94, right? So 130 plus 64. Yeah, 94. I need this to be 94 high. Wait a minute. Not just 94. 194. There we go. Now, is that actually already centered? Come on, stop it, Windows key. 32, 32. We're killing it. We're killing it. It's perfect. Okay. So then, let's see here. What nice font should we use for this? Enter just doesn't quite do it what we want it to be, what we want to be like. Let's see here. Out now probably is about what we want to say. Let's just start going through, man. Let's start. Wait a minute, the Mr. Eves, those were looking good. MS Gothic? That's not it. Looking for anything really that says Hey, this one says UI Gothic. Wow. It's hard to pass up on something like that. It's clearly what I want to be using. Let's see. Anything Gothic? Gothic just doesn't seem to be what I'm actually looking for. These are all sans. I want the serif. There we go. There's some serifs. Let's get through this, see what these look like. I can't tell at all how these are different. Alright. Maybe not those. Oblivion font. Open sans. That one's always easy. Oxygen. What's that look like? It's fine. It's fine. Philosopher's got to be cool, right? Not quite. Play ball. What is play ball? Not really looking for a script. Poor story. I actually like that font, but not for this. Here's a Grand Theft Auto font. We could use that one. That one would work really well. PT Serif. Kind of. PT Serif caption. I don't. Alright. Okay, let's see here. Are these all out on the same platforms? Let's see here. This is available on Epic, Switch, Apple Store. They're not. Can I make a bar? I'm not sure I can scale this to the appropriate size. Where were all of these? I need to grab all of them. I guess, let's see. So Tacoma is the first one I have. Let's see what this one's available on. Epic. I think that's what I already grabbed. There's 5, right? Yeah. Yes, that is large. So I don't even want it to be that high, I don't think. Let's see here. Those are linked. Let's say 120. 120. 120. 120. Whoa. Whoa. What are you doing? Why can't you come in here? What is happening? Client update. What is this? Alright, cool. Alright, then why can't this one come in there? Rectangle 3, squares. What is squares? What is squares? And why is it laid out like that? What if we just remove auto layout from it? It's done. Let's bring this in now. It works. How are those in there? Are they not in there? They're not in there. Yeah, they are. I have no idea. I don't know why that one was so against it. This one's actually gonna be bigger. Oops. So let's come in here and do this. Do I even have enough space? So we're gonna grab that. The PlayStation logo. Where the hell? Oh, that's weird. And then there's one more I'm looking for, right? So we have, no, that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Auto layout those, make it all centered. Space between them. How much space do we want to give them? Right now there's 0. And then can I scale? Not everything at the same time now. Still, like, everything's too big. So let's go down here, make this 100. 100. Is that still too big for what I want to do? This is gonna be shops. And then we're gonna say space this time is gonna be, we'll start with 32. 64. That's better. And then if I move that to like centered here, and then put do this, that, drop down a slight little fill here, maybe. No, not white, but close, very close. So that could work. 5-0, 5-0, 5-0. Maybe make it like a little bit darker there. 50. Make that 5-0 as well. Okay, now I do want to drag that up so that it's like flush. There we go. And then let's see here. I'm gonna do this if I can. Does this mess with anything else? Nope, still just more space on that epic side. It's fine. It's fine. Then let's go find a review for Tacoma game review and see what we can find that, you know, Polygon, IGN, I like this Destructoid one. Trying to find that quote though. See here. Okay, let's say I'm gonna grab one of these, Control C, zoom in, paste here, and then we're gonna kind of mess with this, and then all of this is not gonna be hugging. Let's see here. Yeah, it is. It's not gonna be fixed, is what I meant. So we're gonna say meditative and methodical. It's a game for the quiet. Where did I stop? Maybe we don't even use the the accolades in this. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. So this was Destructoid. Doid, right? Making sure I'm doing it right. Yeah, Destructoid. Destructoid. That's too much. This one we need kind of a sans. So let's see here. Gothic A1. What is that? Oh, it's short. They're not really there is no italic, huh? Italic. Let's try a couple others that said Gothic. There was definitely PT Gothic. Am I going the right way? Surely I am. Feel like I saw more Gothics going this way last time, but no. Maybe I'm just not looking hard enough, you know? I don't know why I'm so hung up on Gothic fonts right now either. Malgan Gothic. Why is the space between these two? That's not bad. That's better. Okay. So maybe I center that on that. Move these up. 64 down, right? Maybe. That doesn't work super great on that background, honestly. How big is that font? 28. That's actually huge. Okay, how are we gonna arrange this and what are we gonna do with it? So we have all of their narrative stuff. Oh, you know what? Let's move this up. Not it. How to grab all thing. Grab all thing. Okay, where's what I want? Accolade. I want that whole damn thing. Give me the whole accolade. Book it. How do I do? Control G. This is gonna be the Tacoma out now. Oh my god, it kind of worked. I want it to be, let's see here, 64 down again. These beats absolutely slap, though. Alright, this definitely needs to come in more than it is. It's what, 15 right there? Let's do 64 in. Where are we at over here? Wow. That doesn't look quite like what I want. What if we move it way closer to this? 333. Let's try 264 or 256. 128. Oh my god, why can I not grab that? There we go. Let's group these. Tacoma logo and review. Grab that. Center. Do we want it to be centered? So what is this? 181. That's an interesting. I guess spacing it from here makes more sense, but even that is not spaced correctly. We need to clean that up. So now this is 60. So either everything needs to be down by that much. Let's see. Where was... I swear to God that's in something. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try making it 32 and see what the hell happens. Right? I think that looks pretty good. Then should we get maybe a description of what Tacoma is and then put that like beneath there with like a button or text that's like click here? Let's see. Let's try to find that. Do I have any coffee left? A little bit. And a little bit is all you need. Let's try to finish this up. Let's see here. Tacoma. Do they even have a description of the game on their website? They don't. Tacoma game description. Let's look for that. Tacoma game description. All right, let's try this. Okay, so we want, what is this font? Malgan Gothic, and that's 28. I'm gonna make another text here, Control V. Malgan Gothic, 28, regular. And you know, I just don't want it that heckin' long. Just don't. Oh, yeah, that's not what I meant, bud. No, what we meant. There we go. So, now that it's on the right frame here, let's do... Why? Why? Okay, so I need this inside... Out now. Yep, that's there. Wait, is that on top of squares? I think I'm trying to get this into this one. Maybe that'll help me line it up. Yeah, there we go. There's... Oh, I swear we had it. There it is. Maybe we put it over here. How big does that make it? There we go. Okay, see that? The problem with that is this font is the same size. Maybe we make that 22. It's not bad. Is that what I want though? Let's see. So what are we gonna do here? I like that. I like this a lot. The boldness makes it easier to read even on that background. Let's add, I don't want to get too carried away with drop shadows, but it will help in legibility just a tiny bit, I do believe. So let's go over here. Why me? Why do bad things happen to good people? Sorry about those sneezes. Let's see here. So that's getting close, that's getting close, that's getting close. I like those two things together. Let's move them up. Is that a 64 from the top? Is it? Not you, Windows key. Never you, bud. Stay the hell out of this. Okay. I was gonna add maybe a button right there, but maybe we'll add it over here. Say learn more. How big is this? It's definitely, that's gonna be too huge, but let's start there. 545 by 130. Let's just go nuts. Can I even see? Okay, cool. Yeah. I do want to be right in the smack middle of that. Let's see here. So this needs to be over here. The fuck is the middle of Tacoma? Are we ever gonna find it? How far am I? How did I get here? Oh my god. Alright, so we'll just do this then. Much better. Okay. That's too far away, I do believe. So what if we did like an honest, you know, an honest 64 from that. 64 there. We're gonna, what is it, 130? We'll make it 70. So then we're gonna slap some text on here that says learn more about Tacoma. I bet I could even use this as a mask somehow and get this Tacoma font working, but you know, let's match this color. And then where's that rectangle? Where's that gosh damn rectangle? Oh my god, that's too big. That's, some would say too big. Oh, that's still too big. All right, so let's see here. Maybe we'll do what am I doing? Center that. I'm not sold on this button yet, so let's mess around with that. Rectangle, and then learn more. We can group those. This will be Tacoma button. Go in here. Let's go fill with an image. It's gonna be nuts. You already know. We're gonna make it like this one, maybe. that auto for no good reason. And then type F in there. That's not bad. That is not centered though. You know that, bud. That's not it. This ain't it. Is it? Okay, let's see here. I want to add. I do like this. I like where we're headed. Add another layer above this. That's not quite it, is it? No. Maybe we want it to be white and then just slightly lighter than. To the absolute opposite of what I was expecting to. Oh shit, nah, not on the letters too. What are you doing? Alright, so stroke on that for sure. Then we'll go 10. And then we'll drag a color from up here. For sure. Like this one. Oh my god, it's perfect. Okay, I like that. Whoa, the hell? What? What happened? It closed everything. What? All I wanted to do was make a component out of that. Oh, why is it outlined? Oh, right. How does this happen? How am I in here twice now? Did it seriously? Oh my god, it is open twice. What? All I did was hit component. I just want that, and then I wanted a variant of this where I make we're gonna call this hover. And then we come over here, grab that hover one, rectangle, make the stroke like 85, 90. And then maybe we make the font like underlined. Can I do that? And that's seriously, it is. It's centered. All right, so we'll say right there on hover. Yeah, that's good. Instant. Hell yeah. We don't have time to waste, you know? So actually, let's see here. I want to group these two. Tacoma and button. And then I'll group these two. And this will be review and description. Oh, alright, description. Description. And then how much space we got between those? 128. Let's do... Actually, hold on, are these... This will be easier. 128 plus 64. And then are we still centered? We're still pretty centered. Well, let's try 96. Oh, we are not centered. I think that's looking pretty sharp. This font is still what size? 22. Boop doop boop boop. Okay, what is this? The rectangle? That's actually what I want to drag up, I do believe. And I want it to be like 64 away from that. Can I do that? I'm gonna go even smaller with these. I'm gonna go 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. And then if that would center, if that's everything centered still. Let's see here, snap to content. Mostly, and then center. That's, I guess, the best we can do. So I don't dislike that. That looks pretty good. How much is 84? So let's see here. I wanted actually 20 up that way, and then that's 64 below that line. Now this is rectangle needs to be minus 20, 77. Yep. And then squares can go ahead and crop in. Man, I think that's looking really nice. That is a little bit bolder, a little bit more eye-catching than what I have right here. This is centered though, right? It wasn't. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here for today. Just looking at it right now. So I'm loving this. I do think that, you know, there could be some criticism on contrast. I need to grab a plugin and do like a contrast checker. But, you know, that's like white on mid-gray, which is about as low as you want to go. This is even worse because I think these are all supposed to be white, but the overlay is on top of them, which is dumb as hell. I need them to not be like that, but that's okay. That's all right. So yeah, tomorrow we'll need to do the same thing for Gone Home. Drag that up below there. And then potentially add open roads into the mix if we're gonna do that. But I feel like that's really pretty, you know? Let's see where the fold is before we go far here. I want to say A, I want to add that. I want it to be like 50%. And then I want to drag this on top of that. And that's what you would see as soon as you get to their page. Let me zoom out just a hair. So that, like that, we've nailed it, all right? I think that is almost a perfect landing page. We could move this up to where you get a little hint more of out now. But man, I'm very proud of the spacing on that right now. I feel like that's almost perfect in terms of like above the fold. What do you see here? You see an almost full screen logo of them, so there's no mistaking what company you're looking at. And then right below that, nothing cut off, you know, except for this text, but this accolade bar where they are just best independent game, best debut, game of the year, best narrative, excellence in narrative, best PC game. Like, I'm intrigued. I want to check this out. So I'm really excited, man. That looks nice as hell. Let's change this to white. Or you know what, F7. And then let's just check this out. There's not too much, you know, interactive or anything. This should hover. It should hover. I did hover, right? Did we do click? Did I do click? On click, I did. Okay, while hovering. I thought it said, oh. Haha. I'm dumb. There we go. And this background just doesn't scroll when I fit to width, and I don't understand why. Oh, you know what I could do though to check this out? Quick test. And then this one can be 100. It doesn't matter. I don't know if that's gonna affect this. So I want to drag this into here like so. Get it up to the top, the booty boot. There it is. All right, now what we'll do is go over to prototype, say there is vertical scrolling, and then did that, oh shit, I'm not on the right one. Right here. Relaunch, here we go. You know, I was like, they updated the little prototype bar, but it is Pride Month, so anybody out there celebrating Pride, happy Pride Month. I was like, it's cool, they made it a rainbow. Just hit me why. It just hit me why. Dude. Okay. Dude. That's about all I can say. Look how wonderful that top is. That, like, oh my goodness. I think that that is about 90 times better than the current page. But that, you know, I'm a little bit biased. I'm a little bit biased. This is the current page. Oh, it's not a frame, so I can't really. I bet I can. Hold on. Control G. It's a frame now. Let's look at it. Let's look at that. And then go fit width. So this is the above the fold as it stands right now. Is that really fit to fit width, huh? That versus, oh my God, we're far away. That versus this. That took way too long to get to. Ah, I love it. I love that. I think that so sharp. It's so sharp. And yeah, the only real thing I can see, you know, in the wider areas, we are gonna have some contrasty issues. The only real thing we've done to combat that so far is drop a tiny little bit of shadow on these, I do believe. If that's showing, let's see, fit width. I don't know if you can actually pick up on the shadow on those or not. But that one you can. Where are the other shadows? Huh. Huh. There's definitely shadows there, right? Yeah. 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 No shadows. What? I'm sorry, what? That's really weird. This has shadow, but half the shit does not have shadows. Alright. Might be as simple as closing it and reopening it. But like I said, guys, that is gonna do it for us today. Tomorrow, probably gonna be our last day on this project. So we will get this cleaned up a little bit more, even a little bit more. And then we're gonna make a Gone Home page just like this, not page, but bar. Drag that down. We'll need to continue to add the header. We still haven't done that. That'll be a pretty quick add. And then Is that it? I mean, header, I don't know if we'll really do a footer. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll do a footer. They don't have so much of a footer as they do like a little put in your email here so you get your updates. Yeah, not really a footer. They have a header instead of a footer. They don't need both. But yeah, we'll drop in a spot for email. And that should do it. We should be in a pretty good place. I'm pleased as hell with where we're at right now. So thank you guys for hanging out. As always, appreciate you being out there. You know, if you feel inclined, go ahead and follow or subscribe if you're on YouTube, so you get more content when it's available. But yeah, we try to do this every day, Monday through Friday at least, and have been doing it starting at about 11 Mountain Time, but that might actually bump up a couple hours to 9 a.m. just so I can start my day earlier, you know, and not finish this midday. But we'll see. We'll see. That might be coming soon. Again, thank you guys for being here. This is just me practicing, trying to get a ton of projects under my belt, you know, expand that portfolio, because I feel like I keep doing the same things. So this is mainly for me, but if it helps anybody, that would be incredible. So that's really why we're here. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll be back tomorrow where we wrap this up, and I'll see you then. Have a good rest of your day.